Hey everybody. So years ago I saw my older brother, he was using Excel to do his college work, and I thought it wouldn't be a great idea if I was using it for my schoolwork. So of course I treated it like a calculator. I typed in 2 plus 2, I hit the return key, and of course all I got was exactly what I typed in. So later of course I learned that it's a little bit different with Excel. The first thing you need to do with Excel is type in the equals key, and after the equals key then you can do your calculation. So let's say it's 2 plus 2 and we hit the return key, we'll get 4. The same goes for a subtraction. You hit the equals key, 2 minus 2, hit the return key to get 0. For multiplication, it's a little bit different with Excel and with the keyboard. So first you type the 2, and then for the multiplication, it's you hit this little asterisk. It looks like a little star on your keyboard. And then you hit 2 again, hit return, and you'll get 4. And for dividing, it's a little bit different again on the keyboard. You type in 2, and for dividing, you use this symbol. It's called the forward slash. And you hit 2 again, hit the return key, and of course you'll get 1. So I hope that'll help a little bit. If you have any questions, just drop them below. Thank you.